You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, a more beautiful disaster, a reckoning.
Hey, this is Tim. I got a no heat call. This is I believe it's a 2015 Kia Sorento, and no, it's a Kia Sedona. Yeah, 2014 Kia Sedona, and we got a no heat call. So I'm gonna see. Alright, well, we got 192, and if it's staying on 192, not getting no higher than 192, and let's just say we got a 195 thermostat, let's just say that. Well, the thermostat ain't opening. It ain't getting no higher than 192. $194. So we get it at 195 to open that up. Here we go. We got 195. Now if that's a 195 thermostat, it should be opening. Still don't feel no heat. I took the cap off. It's 200 degrees and the water ain't circulating. So I'm just squeezing the hose there. Definitely full on coolant, so the coolant level is not the problem. We know that. All right. Yeah, it still ain't warm enough to me either. 200 degrees should be a lot warmer than this, so let's go order a thermostat and go from there. Alright, your thermostat will be right down here. You'll have your top hose here. It's on the bottom hose here. You're going to do these 3 bolts right there, right here. Kind of let it seep out a little bit there. You got one down there. What undo. You got one right here on the top. So we're going to do them 3. Alright, once you get it off, you'll see your thermostat right here, and you'll just pull it out. Well, okay, what you want to do is you want to put in your, I'm going to put everything together here in just a second, but I'll just show you. It's 3 bolts. You'll put your thermostat in. You always want to put your bleeder little air ring right here on top. You want to put it at the furthest top point, so that'd be right there on top there. So just sit in there like that, right there on top. Let's put this together and let's see if we got some heat now. And then I'll come back and torque these up. Alright, no one done it. Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.
I don't wanna see you